Today, I'll walk you through how to import data in Power BI from different sources, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to bring in data from Excel, SQL, CSV, the web, and more, so you can start analyzing your information effectively. Let's get started by opening your Power BI dashboard. This is your central hub for all your data visualization needs. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core functionality remains the same. Once you have your dashboard open, navigate to the Home tab located in the top ribbon. Here, you'll find the Get Data button. This is your gateway to importing data from various sources. Click on that button now. You will see a drop-down menu displaying some common data sources. If the source you need isn't listed, don't worry. Simply click on More to access the full catalog of hundreds of connectors. These are categorized into sections like File, Database, Power Platform, Azure, Online Services, and others. Think of this as a toolbox filled with different tools for different jobs. Now, let's say you want to import data from an Excel file. Select Excel from the list. After you do that, you'll be prompted to choose the file you want to import. Once you select your file, Power BI will display the tables available within that file. At the bottom of the screen, you will have two main options: Load or Transform Data. If you choose Load, your data will be imported directly into Power BI for immediate use. However, if you select Transform Data, you'll enter the Power Query Editor where you can clean and shape your data before loading it. This is similar to preparing ingredients before cooking a meal. It ensures everything is just right. After you've made your selections and adjustments, click Close and Apply to finalize your import. Your data will now be available in Power BI, ready for analysis and visualization. And there you have it. You've successfully imported data in Power BI from various sources, including Excel, SQL, CSV, and the web. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore different data sources and options available to you. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.